Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage your personal information on the profile in PayPal. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the website, navigate to account, then you'll be able to complete your personal profile, or if you already did it, you can find something like edit your personal profile. You can click on it, then you'll be able to create your paypal.me profile. You can add photo, you can choose a link, then we need to agree, and we can manage our profile. So there's the location, about you can insert any information, you can make your profile status on or off, and there's also search privacy that you can read through, and the terms and conditions as well. And that is all of the options you can edit right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.